Hi guys, doing this. So this is the round one results for Howard the Duck and Mr. Fantastic 4. So here are the results from Marvel Contest of Champions Trucos. So 5-star Howard the Duck, 27 million. 4-star went from 5.5 million, and 3-star went to 1.8 million for Mr. Fantastic. So what was my cutoff? My prediction was, so my cutoff prediction was 31 million. For 5-star Howard the Duck, 4-star 6.2 million, 3-star 700,000. As far as the cutoff for 3-star Howard the Duck, we don't have the information, but I'm pretty sure 700,000 you got the champion. 4-star Mr. Fantastic 2.6 million. So let's go back to Marvel Contest of Champions Trucos to get the results. As you can see, I was fairly close when it came to Howard the Duck, but when it came to Mr. Fantastic, I was pretty off. Way off, I could say, would be more correct. It wasn't really expecting that he would go under 2 million, but he did. So it's one of those unusual things that happens. But the good thing is, if you do went for my cutoff as far as the save scores go, you got the champion, and that's the most important part. Okay, you don't want to grind in the arena and not get the champion, right? So always advice, go to at least the save score to give yourself a good chance. At least the save score to give yourself a good chance of getting the champion. So let's go to the game. So let's give you the cutoff for round 2. But before I do, my as far as my prediction goes, I try to be punctual on time if I can. So when it comes to round 1, I'll try to do it before 10 a.m. just before the arena starts. That's for round 1, US Pacific time, 10 a.m. US Pacific time. And round 2, it can vary. It really depends on Marvel's Contest of Champions as far as getting the round 1 results. So it can vary, but it should be before 3 p.m. And as far as this thing, it's just a hobby, so I don't expect me to get time that I mentioned, but I want to be as punctual as I can when it comes to time, when it comes to predictions. So try to aim for before 10 a.m. like 9:45, just before the cutoff, and as soon as Marvel Champion Trucos gets the result for round 1, I'll try to post it as soon as I can. So it should be before 3 p.m. So let me go with 5-star. My round 2 prediction: 5-star Howard the Duck. I think 30 million would be a safe score to go to. 4-star Howard the Duck. 6.1 million would be a safe score to go to. 4-star Mr. Fantastic. 2.5 million is a safe score to go to. 3-star Howard the Duck. 700,000 would be a safe score to go to. As you know, even though my prediction for a safe score is correct most of the time, and my goal is about 90% accuracy, it's not always going to be correct as far as getting the champion. So I always want to give you guys always want to give you guys a safe score being the minimum. I would always suggest that be the minimum. So if you really want to get the champion, guarantee yourself the champion, or I don't want to say guarantee because there's no guarantee in the game, but you could say almost guaranteed to get the champion. Always, if you have the time or the units, go to the extreme save score. So as far as the extreme save scores, I've been 100% accuracy, so that's good. So as far as getting the champion, so 5-star Howard the Duck, 37 million would be a pretty good extreme save score to go for. 4-star Howard the Duck, 7.5 million is an extreme save score to go for. 4-star Mr. Fantastic, 3 million extreme save score to go for. 3-star Howard the Duck would be the 800,000 would be extreme save score to go for. So if you want to secure the champion, I would suggest, if you have the time or units, always try to get to those scores, the extreme scores I provided, or if not, close to it. All right, thank you guys.